In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a GPX file to Google Maps. If you've recorded a hike, bike ride, or road trip on a GPS device or app, your route is probably saved as a GPX file. We'll use Google My Maps to bring that file onto a map you can view, customize, and share. Start by opening Google My Maps in a web browser on your computer. This is different from the standard Google Maps site. My Maps is the tool that lets you create and manage custom maps. If you're prompted to sign in, use your Google account so your map saves automatically. Give the page a moment to load. Once you're in, you'll see an option to build your own map. Choose Create a new map. A blank map appears with an untitled map name and a panel on the left. Renaming now helps keep things organized, especially if you plan to import more routes later. Click the title to give it something clear like the trail or trip name, and add a brief description if you want context. Look at the first layer in the left panel, you'll see an import button there. Layers are simply containers for data. Think of them as folders for lines and points. Keeping your GPX in its own layer makes it easy to style, show, hide, or edit without affecting anything else on the map. Click Import and select your GPX file from your computer. You can also drag and drop it into the import area. My Maps reads GPX tracks, routes, and waypoints. Tracks and routes will appear as lines, while waypoints show up as markers. If your GPX contains multiple segments, they might import as several lines within that layer. Very large files may take a moment, and in some cases My Maps may simplify highly detailed tracks for performance. Once it's loaded, customize the map so it's easy to read. Click the paint can icon next to the layer or individual items to change colors, line thickness, and marker styles. Choose a contrasting color for your route so it stands out against the background. Switch the base map to terrain or satellite if elevation or imagery is helpful. Rename the layer and any markers for clarity, and add notes in the description fields to capture details like distance, highlights, or safety tips. When you're ready to share or view the map in Google Maps, click Share. Adjust privacy to keep it private, share with specific people, or allow anyone with the link to view. Copy the link to send it, or open the map in Google Maps to see it alongside your other saved maps. And that's it, you've opened My Maps, created a map, imported your GPX, customized it, and shared it.